Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NNDM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that's where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's very nice movement, some updates here are certainly needed. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning and just get rid of the line down here. Sure, it still pertains to the chart. It's just not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter with lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. First update, though, that does need to be made comes about from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So $2.47 was the level of resistance going into today, and now that the price is up above it, that would be one of the newest areas of support. The ideal level of support going forward, when we say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? That would be if the price can stay up here above $2.70. Now, don't get me wrong, though. If the price falls below $2.70, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power on the bull's part. So 270 and then 247, the levels of support. What about levels of resistance? We'll scrunch up the chart here a little bit, and we'll talk about where some next potential battlegrounds are. Next key level to keep an eye on is going to be, this former area of support, and that sits right there at $2.90. So 290, and then I better map out one more just in case another bigger move type happens, because it did close out the day on a bullish note. So 290, that first key battleground. Next one after that, right up there around $3.20. So 290, 320, next key battlegrounds. All in all, though, at the end of the day, resistance levels, they do matter, but at the same time, they don't, because if the price continues to do what it's been doing in regards to building higher bases, or if you want to picture these as stair steps. So if the bulls keeps building higher stair steps as time goes on, then notice what happens to the levels of resistance. The levels of resistance are going to be broken through. So in my opinion, focus on building higher lows, going through healthy consolidations, and then you can just sit back and let the chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.